You're deciding whether to bring a lawsuit for your accident. And now, as you're thinking about what will happen years down the road if you are able to settle your case, you want to know, how will you know when the insurance company sends out the check to your attorney? Will you be waiting around for days, weeks, months, or even years without even knowing that the money was sent to your attorney? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some really great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. That's a great question to ask even before you've actually started a lawsuit. So now you're anticipating what's going to happen 2 or 3 years down the road. So let's say you are able to successfully settle your case. How do you know when the insurance company actually sends your settlement check to your attorney? So the insurance company sends a letter to you as well as to your attorney with the check. And that letter says, hey, Mr. Jones, just want to let you know today we sent your settlement check to your attorney. And it's going to have the date, it's going to have the amount of that settlement check. This way you can call your attorney if he doesn't call you in a few days to say, hey, what's going on? When can I expect to get my share of the proceeds? And that's how you will know when the insurance company sends out their settlement check to you. And do you know why that's a law, why that's a requirement? It's because there was no such requirement before, and people would be waiting around for months and months, sometimes even longer, and the attorney would have it sitting in their escrow account. Or sometimes you'd have a really bad egg, a really bad attorney, who would take that money, not tell the client that the money came in, use it for his own purposes, and now the client wakes up and says, hey, where's my settlement money? And then obviously the attorney would get in significant trouble and most likely lose their license for taking money that wasn't his. But putting that aside, the insurance company currently has to send you a letter at the same time they send out the settlement check so that you, the client, are aware of when that money went out, and now you can contact the attorney and say, hey, when can I expect to get my share of the proceeds? So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these accident cases and these medical malpractice cases and these wrongful death cases here in New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're still thinking about whether or not to go ahead and bring a lawsuit, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.